How to remove live subscription on TikTok Live. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll go out through the steps on how you can remove live subscriptions on TikTok Live. Well, if you're on this video, then you must be quite annoyed with the subscription option popping up on your profile. Now you want to know how you can disable it? Well, the process is pretty simple, so let me guide it through. I was quite a bit annoyed as well, so I looked it up and it was pretty easy. All you gotta do is head over to your profile on TikTok, right? Once you're on your profile here, now all you gotta do is tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner here. Now under this option, you should find the option TikTok Studio. If you don't have the TikTok Studio option, don't worry, simply head into settings and privacy, head into live option here, and either here or either on the account option, you should be able to find the subscription option. However, if you have the TikTok Studio option, head into TikTok Studio. Once you're here, head into live option here. Once you're on the live, scroll down and under tools and resources, you should be able to find the subscription option as you can see on the screen. So simply tap on subscription here. Once you tap on subscription, you can see the three dots option at the top right corner. And now here you can see leave subscription option. Tap on leave subscription and your subscription will be turned off and it will be removed from your profile as well. So this is how you can easily turn off subscription on TikTok. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave comments as well.